All right, well, we have some beautiful fabrics. We know that we have beautiful fabrics, and I kind of put them up for fall because they're great fall, and I'll kind of go through them. This first one is a charcoal, but it's 100% cotton, and it's a very lightweight charcoal. So it's perfect for pants right now. It's 100% cotton, so it's not going to be like into the heavy winter, but it's a really beautiful transition fabric, and it's a beautiful color, and it's 100% cotton, and it goes really well with this. This would be just really lots of different fun things. I thought maybe Brunello sweater, but it doesn't have any. It's 100% cotton. Well, no, maybe it's not either. It might be cotton poly. I'm not sure on that. But it doesn't. It has a little bit of stretch to it, but it's a woven. It's mainly a woven, but it's really, really pretty. You could do. I was thinking 95. The pattern of the month we just passed. I thought would be really cool in this to be wearing. And then this is a Gucci denim we have. We have this other color. We have 2 new colors today. This is all we have. This is like a hot pink. And I love it with this. Isn't that cool looking? It's a hot pink. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in one direction. And again, we're going to discount it just for the first couple days or until it's gone. This is a cotton poly, and it's a scuba. And look how it blends. I just love how that looks together. That purple and pink is just really cool. It has stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. And then we have a teal. This is a Gucci denim in teal. And this, again, 100% cotton, one-way stretch. Fabulous little piece of fabric. And then I put this in. This is a cotton poly. It's just really beautiful. It really blends beautifully with this teal. It'd be very pretty to do just a light, like a little wrap, a 196, a 201. Look at some of those numbers. I think it'd be really pretty just to do a lightweight little wrap. Anyway, so we're going to have some discounted prices on these for 2 days, so you can save some money. Happy sewing with Silhouette Patterns.